Gold H4 time frame, big vertical dump last week, more than $100. Sentiment are now totally changed. But after that big market sell-off last week, top to bottom 50 and 61% retracement area, 2361 to 2385, big support zone. So despite that vertical dump, big news, price could not break this support zone. And you can see multiple H4 candlestick, all of them failed to break out 2361 static horizontal support, which we mentioned in last video. So this is your last big support level. Once this level break out, then more selling pressure in gold. But like expected last week, price is showing rejection in this support zone and a sideways correction until next clarity. So for next selling entry, if there is chart pattern in this support zone, then you have to wait for complete chart pattern. Counter trend correction can go up to 2430 level. This is big static horizontal resistance level and you have to manage your risk up to this level. As long as price trading below this level, you can say 2483 was our top. There is a chance because many big news last week say this can be our top. So more price goes down below 2361, more market trade like this is our top. So we cannot say this new counter trend correction from 2361 how high it will go, but you have to manage your risk up to 2430 level. And since price is back inside this range and this area near psychological level 2400, this is a big static horizontal resistance level. You can see in past many times price failed from this area, so now it is breakout and retest. So all the seller who are now selling gold, they will target lower part of this range below 2300, and right now we are in middle of the range. So if you get a technical setup, then you can sell and target lower part of this range. For scalper, if you see H1 time frame from this top 2483, your 5 impulsive wave, which you can say W or A, then counter trend correction X or V, then we are in next impulsive wave. 5 impulsive wave, flag pattern, almost 50% correction from upside, same to same like I explained in that video, then big vertical dump. So for scalper H1 time frame trader, this area near 2390, big static horizontal resistance level. Above this level, you can trade with bearish bias, and next impulsive downtrend start from 2430 area. 2361 support area breakout, then you all know daily time frame, seller will target retest of 2300 level. Because this vertical dump last week, there are many reasons. Because fiscal policy support from Biden. You know, many government spending by Biden to skip recession, CHIP Act, Inflation Reduction Act, Build Back America, all of them are gone. So no new money will come. So Biden has gone on holiday. So news company are now asking what will happen to Bidenomics. So this is your number one economy USA, and if it goes into recession, then consumer demand in entire world obviously decrease. Then your number two economy China, they do two emergency rate cut last week. That is very bad sign, you can say sign of economic collapse. And more important because this is your number one gold consumer market. And third thing again happen, India your number two gold consumer market, they decrease taxes, but at the same time number two consumer market they are saying MCX black day. So why there is a big vertical dump? And people are again and again are confused. If this news is bullish, then why it goes down after counter trend correction? Either was that gold video when India election result came that week, or just wait and watch second half of the year, fourth quarter, when India real gold demand will return again. Because if number one economy and number two economy stay in recession till fourth quarter, then there is no way Indian economy can escape recession, and that will directly hit Number two, gold consumer market. Even if their government decrease more tax, but there will be no consumer for gold buying that time. And your third and last reason was USD JPY. So that pair changed direction and big $1 trillion carry unwinding. Because of that, there was collapse in gold market. So like I said, race to reserve currency have begun. Everyone want to win race against dollar as a reserve currency. So technically, if you see wave A counter trend correction V, then your new downtrend from 2430. So if there was possibility for big government spending before election in USA, then that possibility is totally gone. And second thing will be your Fed FOMC this week. If Fed does not support economy like they did in 2018, 20, 2022, 2023, especially the Silicon Valley Bank, total U-turn before election to escape recession at all costs doing QE. So Biden have made clear there will be no fiscal support to repeat those things again, and now it is Fed time to make clear. If both support goal from economy to skip recession, like I'm saying repeatedly, gold cannot fly above 2400. Monthly closing above 2400, very low chance. And this monthly candlestick closing will confuse again because of Fed FOMC timing. Because of market manipulation, they can easily manipulate monthly closing price. But still, as a scalper, you focus on these support level. So these three are big support level. When fiscal and monetary policy support both goes at the same time, what happened to the market? You have seen last week that was total economic collapse. Everything was going down. People were saying this is a repeat of March 2020. If both policy support comes again, gold can easily close over 2400. Otherwise, no limit how this thing can go down. So weekly candlestick 2 red and sentiment are totally changed. People does not think gold is bullish anymore. And you have this possible chart pattern. Retest of lower trend line near 2300 is your next big horizontal support level. Before that 2361 on H4 and 2390 on H1, and your Elliott wave trend ending at 2451. Same with daily chart, WXY wave ending near 2433. Price could not show even 2500 on the screen. 3 brick rejection from upper trend line and lower trend line is your only big support level. And if you watch daily time frame more closely, then 2361 is a big static horizontal support level. You have seen many time price doing reversal on this area. So next selling wave will come after breakout of this level. Then on retest, everyone will target retest of 2300. If you see market FOMO, then Robert T. Kiyosaki waited for exactly $100 dump before predicting 3300 gold price. And many banks are still predicting 3000 gold price in next 12 months. This week big news FOMC. After that, next big news NFP that will come after FOMC meeting. And market have tried 2 times pumping July FOMC meeting rate cut, but both times they priced out. When price made all-time high, they priced out. They tried last week again. When price hit 2430, they priced out again. So there is good chance Fed give dovish speech in FOMC and clearly say rate cut in September FOMC meeting. But in the end, it is real interest rate which decide rate cut is bullish or bearish for gold, which you have seen last week. And because of that big divergence between gold and real interest rate, Elon Musk big bearish on dollar, Zuckerberg big bullish on gold. So if H4 resistance area 2390 and big one 2361 breakout and this yellow support line near 2300 breakout, the next big support will be 2200. But before that, everyone is still bullish and full FOMO. And before big news FOMC this week, I have made 3 video. Watch 3 video for clarity what will happen after FOMC. And this is your most important news: fiscal policy support leaving market. And if news come in weekend that China did not buy gold again third month, then that will be again bearish news. So technically on daily chart from 2361 support level you can expect counter trend correction to upside, then breakout and going back to 2300 level. And speed or next downside wave will be decided by Fed speech.